Winter can be tough when it comes to staying fit. The cold weather, shorter days, and tempting comfort foods can make it hard to stick to your fitness routine. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some tips on how to stay fit during the winter months. Let's jump into it. First things first, embrace indoor workouts. Whether it's yoga, Pilates, or bodyweight exercises, there are plenty of ways to stay active indoors. Create a cozy space at home and stick to your routine without worrying about the cold. If you don't have equipment, no worries. Bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and planks are perfect for building strength and endurance. If you love outdoor activities, layer up. Dressing in layers helps you regulate your body temperature, keeping you warm but not overheated. A base layer, an insulating layer, and a waterproof outer layer are ideal for braving the cold. Outdoor activities like running, walking, or even hiking in winter can still be effective workouts. Winter sports are a fun way to stay active. Whether it's skiing, snowboarding, ice skating, or even snowshoeing, winter activities are a fantastic way to burn calories, strengthen muscles, and improve cardiovascular health. Plus, they're super fun. Another great option is trying online fitness classes. There are so many platforms offering live or on-demand workout sessions, from HIIT to dance cardio. It's like having a personal trainer right in your living room, and you can work out whenever it fits your schedule. Of course, staying fit isn't just about exercise. Your nutrition plays a huge role. Focus on whole foods, lean proteins, and plenty of vegetables. Don't forget to stay hydrated too, as it's easy to forget about drinking enough water during the colder months. There you go, 5 simple tips to stay fit during the winter months. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, keeping active is key to maintaining your fitness and well-being. Don't let the winter blues hold you back. Embrace the season with these fun and easy ways to stay fit. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness advice. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Stay warm, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.